Hi, Kelsey. I thought it was quite funny that you had made the reference to like you being a stepmom, and I'm a mom of a 3-year-old, but that's funny that you were like, oh, how would they count? How would they do that warning? And to be honest, I'm pretty sure that's like only an American thing because when I was in Europe in October, I never heard any of the parents. Well, I guess I didn't know because I don't know the language, but counted through like we do here. But yeah, that was pretty funny. I also think that we noticed a bunch of the same things in the video. You had mentioned the counting and like number aspect. I noticed that too. Same with the what'd you say? Oh, the colors. That was insane. Like I didn't really understand. Like, okay, well, yeah, I guess we do it in a different way rather than having two colors. But if we were to look at one or the colors as a whole, like on a spectrum, if you were to be like, what color is this? Most people just say blue. They wouldn't like go, oh, it is turquoise with a hint of this. So yeah, that was also different to me. Let's see. What else did I notice in your video? The language thing. Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, like you said, I guess I always knew there was a lot, but I never really put too much into like finding out how many there truly were. So to know that there's 7,000 and there's all different variations of the same language to send is really cool and like mind blowing actually.